All right, Pinewood, today we're going to go over eighth notes. This might be review for some of you. It might be brand new for all of you. So basically, an eighth note by itself looks like this little guy here with a flag. That's a half of a beat. Okay, so two eighth notes put together, a half a beat plus a half beat equals 1. So they're showing you here that 2 eighth notes equal 1 beat. So if I was to make that into 4/4 time, and I'm going to put my 4/4 here for my measure. The way I would count it is like this. I'd go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Because each note gets a sound. So can you just say that with me? Ready? Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's clap that together. Ready? Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So when we look at number 48, 48's a little bit tricky. So we're going to move to how we would see it in our beginning stages here. So another way to indicate that 2 eighth notes equal 1 beat is by beaming them together. So here you can see them being beamed together. So same thing that we just did, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So if I'm looking at number 49, number 49, I'd have beat 1, 2, 3, 4. The next measure I have beat 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Notice how I'm only saying the word and when there's an eighth note. Because if I were to say, like right here, 3 and 4, then I would need to add in an eighth note because I'd be adding a sound. So you're only saying a number or the word and when there's a note. Okay? Look at that second line. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Let's wrap those first two lines together. Ready? 1, 2, 49, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, second line. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So if you are stuck and need some more practice, stop the video and go back. Otherwise, let me know if you have any questions. I can help you that way. Feel free to practice that as many times as you'd like. Let's take a look at 49. So lines 3 and 4 are 49. So right here where my cursor is, we're starting with what kind of note? Half note, beat. So that's going to be 1-2, beat 3, 4, and 1-2, 3, 4, and dotted half note, 1-2-3, 4, and 1-2-3, 4, and. So let's start right here on line number 3 and go to the end. And there's a little repeat sign there with the 2 dots and double bar line. So then we'll go back to the beginning and go all the way through it. Starting right here, line 3, 1, 2, line 3, go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Last line, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. Second line. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 4, 1, 2 and 3, third line, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Last line, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, you can always stop the video and go back and get some extra practice if needed.